Hello, are you smack dab in the middle, right in the middle of your home, where you belong? But are you surrounded by clutter? Are you smack dab in the middle of clutter? That is not where you belong. So today, start decluttering. If you're an at-home homemaker, do it on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for 15 minutes. Trust me. Do it on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday in the morning, right after breakfast for 15 minutes. Pick a zone. The zone we're in this week is zone 1, the entryway. It'll only be for today and tomorrow. Starting on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week, we're going to be in zone 2, the kitchen. So for now, just do your entryway. Get rid of the clutter. Start by working in the hall closet or the table by the door or your front porch or whatever. Look for 15 minutes. Get a box, a bag, and a basket. Set your timer and throw it away, put it away, or give it away. Stop being smack dab in the middle of it. Make it a great day.